So let's go. The next thing I want to talk about is, after you find different products to bundle, you're going to want to reach out to Alibaba. And, you can also reach out to our team in China to start getting quotes on the products within your bundle, right? And for those of you that were with us last Monday, we went through the process of reaching out to Alibaba, to get quotes on products we were interested in. And you would do the exact same thing for, your products that you were interested in for the bundle as well. So just to recap from, what we did last Monday, if you all remember, for those of you that were on the call, and again, that's in module 1 in the membership area as well.
Hey, it's Mike here, and we just launched version 7 of our Amazon training course, where we walk you through the process of how we sold just in the last 30 days, our first 30 days, over 1,000 products with the brand new ranking strategies that we're now showing to the public. We've trained over 1,000 students, and last year alone we did over $3.2 million online. And if you go to my site, put your credit card away, enter just your first name and your email address, I'll immediately send you a series of free training videos that walk you through the process.
We use this template here to reach out to manufacturers and suppliers on Alibaba. And I'll make this a little bit bigger. But you would want to do the exact same thing that we did last week. Or again, if you go into module 1, you'll see this same exact strategy. But you'll end up using this template, which you can download from the members area. We have a downloadable resources section in there, and you'll see it. It's titled Manufacturer Outreach Letter. And you would literally just, change the name of the product that you were interested in. So, last Monday we looked at we looked for blood pressure monitors, right? Portable blood pressure monitors. So I literally typed portable blood pressure monitors in there, and you saw me. I sent it to a manufacturer. So if you wanted to add the blood pressure monitor case, you would follow the same exact strategy that I went over last week, and you would just change that name here. So you would blood pressure monitor case is what you would put in here, right? And you would search for it on Alibaba. And believe me, you're gonna see that thousands of different manufacturers are gonna pop up for portable. I would put portable blood pressure monitor case, just like that, right? And thousands of manufacturers are going to pop up. You're going to go through the same exact process. You're going to send multiple quote requests to different portable blood pressure monitor case manufacturers, and you're going to start that process, and you're going to get quotes back. And you would have already gotten quotes back for your portable blood pressure monitor. And then that's when you start, adding the cost together for the portable blood pressure monitor, the portable blood pressure monitor case. And you get, if that's the only 2 items you're going to have in your bundle, you can add those 2 costs together, and then you would know exactly how much your bundle would actually cost you, right? And then you start going through our whole strategy with the, with the product sourcing calculator, right? To make sure that the net margin is going to be somewhere between 30 and 50%. Everything I showed you guys, last week in module 1, and that we show you in module 1 in the membership area as well. So it's the same strategy. So yeah, that's exactly what you would do to find additional products for your, for your bundle. And the other thing you can do, rather than going over to Alibaba, let me take you over to, hold on one second for me. Let's go back to the presentation here real quick. So I just went over, going back over to Alibaba like we showed you in module 1 for the bundling products that you're interested in. You can also go to our team in China. And I didn't really dive deep into this last week because I knew we were going to start going over it this week. But our team in China, their name is Jing Sourcing. And there's a special link for all of our online secret students that you'll want to follow. It's this link right here, jingsourcing.com/a/online secrets. And this link is actually already in the members area. And let me show you that real quick, just to make it easier for you. So if you go over to our members area, and I have our members area pulled up here already, I'll show you exactly where it is. So if you go over here, our online secrets Jing sourcing link is right here. So if you click on access to an agent from our team in China, you're going to go to the exact same place that the link in our presentation here would send you, right here. See? So I'm going to go to the link right now because I want to show you the page. So let's see if it's going to allow me to click on the link from the presentation. I think it will. So let's go over there now. So a page is going to pop up. We have a page that we specially created for all of our online secret students, and this is exactly how you would get a hold of a representative at Jing Sourcing. And so you would just put all your information in here: first name, email, phone number, address for shipping product samples. You can put your business address in there, or your home address, whatever you feel more comfortable with. Your zip code, your country. All you need to write right in here is, you keep it real simple. You can say something like, I'm with Online Secrets. I'm with Online Secrets. Please, I'm with Online Secrets. Please issue me an agent or a representative, right? And then just say, I need an agent right now, and within 24 hours, roughly, you'll get a representative assigned to you. And I say roughly 24 hours because they are 16 hours ahead of Pacific Standard Time. So just keep that in mind. So it really depends on what time you reach out to them. That'll determine how quickly they get back to you, because there is a massive time difference. So yeah, but if you reach out to them in the evenings is when I really recommend reaching out to them. If you reach out to them in the evening, either East Coast time or Pacific Standard Time, you will get a representative assigned to you within roughly 24 hours. And if for some reason you did not, just reach out to us on Voxer and we'll make sure you get one immediately. So that's exactly how you would reach out to them. So let's go back over to the presentation. Hold on a minute. All right, and just a little bit about our team in China. So they do everything from A to Z. I mean, we've been using them now for years. I mean, it's at least 5 years or so we've been using them. We've been working hand in hand with them for over 3 or 4 years now. We purchase all of our products through them. They help us with our sampling, our sourcing. They help us set up our freight forwarding. They help us with our images. They can help you with your logo design. They really work with manufacturers on your behalf, right? It really takes all of the hunting that you would have to do on Alibaba, all of the requests for quotes you would have to do on Alibaba. All of that is taken away if you decide you want to use our team in China, because they do all of that for you. They have relationships with thousands of manufacturers in China that can find any product that you would be interested in, and they'll help you find manufacturers. They'll help you obtain the samples. And one really great thing that they do is if when you're putting your bundle together, let's say you've got 3 different products in your bundle, or even 4 products. I mean, some bundles are bigger than others. So let's say you have 4 products in your bundle, right? And let's say all 4 of those products are coming from different manufacturers. Well, if you weren't using Jing to help you with that sampling process, you would have to get all 4 of those products sent to you individually from China to sample them, right? It would cost you a ton of money to do that. Sometimes the shipping costs from China cost more than the actual sample itself. Actually, most of the time that's the case. So what Jing will do for you is they'll get all 4 of the products sent to their office or their warehouse. They'll put them in one box, send you all 4 of the samples in one box. You pay 1 shipping fee from China. So it really can save you hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars, depending on how many products you sample, over, how many weeks. So it's definitely, we highly, highly recommend them. Like I said, we use them ourselves. We've recommended them to, thousands of students now, and they just really do everything from A to Z. And we'll be getting our main representative on with us on one of the upcoming webinars, just to answer some of your guys' questions. We've done that in the past, and it's always been a very successful webinar. But yeah, I mean, they even have some bonuses for our online secret students. They'll give for your for your first order on logo design. They'll give you $50 off your logo design fee, and you could get a logo for free basically, for $50 there. They also give you $50 off your first service fee when you use them as well. And all of these are just one-time uses, obviously, but that's something that they give you as a bonus if you use them. But I can tell you from experience, we've used them many, many a times. They're worth every single penny that you pay for their service fee, for example, for everything that they do for you. It's honestly pennies on the dollar, and you'll see that once they show you what their service fee is. And their service fee is really based on the overall dollar amount of your order. So I couldn't tell you, there's not like a blanket service fee for every single order. It's a sliding scale. But even on the high ends of the scale, it's still, you'll be surprised when you see it. Like, I don't really understand how they make money, but they do. So again, they come highly, highly recommended. If you guys have any questions on Jing sourcing, please let us know. And again, we're going to have on one of the upcoming webinars, we're going to dive deep into Jing sourcing. We're going to have our main contact at Jing on with us to answer questions, and you guys will learn a lot more about them. But definitely check them out. Go to their website, jingsourcing.com. If you're new, I would definitely highly recommend getting a representative assigned to you. You won't regret it.
I've really felt like since I've joined, this is one of the best decisions I've made in my life.
From August 2nd to September 2nd, I generated 15,000 in sales.
I did about 6K one day.
We set a goal of 300 sales in the first 2 weeks, and we met that in 8 days.
Our first 12, 13 days, we've averaged just over $1,000 per day in revenue.
Right now I've got 74 5-star reviews, bestseller ranks at 29, and I've sold in 45 days almost 500 units.
We are moving about 15 to 20 units per day right now.
We were #1 new release on Amazon within 24 hours.
The last 12 months would have been in July. I reached I guess 6 figures.
I've seen the result and I've been very impressed.
Today actually is ironic that we're making this video because we hit our biggest numbers sales organically.
We still made 150% on our investment.
By far, the level of accountability you guys bring and support to your team it's uncanny.
What you guys are teaching us changed my life.
Just mind-blowing and very helpful in helping us launch our products.
We were able to create an entire business from scratch with no knowledge before, really, of how to sell on Amazon.
It gave us basically a roadmap to get involved in e-commerce without having to reinvent a wheel.
If I didn't have this training to follow, I'm sure it would be very difficult for me to research everything and to come up with a process that would work.
The way Mike and Matt teach is really a foolproof method.
The quality and integrity of the program is amazing. The clarity of instruction and the detail of instruction is really easy to follow along.
I've been amazed with how robust and how much information they have in their program.
I get so much information from the training videos, and it's incredible.
Love the modules that I can listen to them again and again.
The steps that are laid out are very much succinct and something that you can follow.
It really is good to just consistently go over and over and over
the same, the basics in order to get your business up and running.
Everything that you've taught me so far has been useful. I've used a number of it, both in this side business and also at my day job.
You guys have been helping me out with the Voxer talks, the live training videos that you guys have been sending me.
Learning that this even exists, learning the process and how to be successful has really been great.
I like how the information can be applied to other businesses, other online ventures that you might want to do.
We love this business for the business model.
I'm just so excited to be selling online and making money in a way that I never thought I would.
I'm just excited to get this started.
If you want free time and you know how this passive income system can work, I think you'll see the same thing.
Ultimately pour into the things that I love, and for me personally, that's my family.
I'm just grateful for you guys. I feel like you're super positive.
One of the things that you guys do is set the tone for giving everything you've got.
You go above and beyond.
They aim to over-deliver. They don't need to do as much as they do, but they do it anyway.
Mike and Matt are just regular people. Successful, but willing to share the knowledge and help us become successful too.